Hi guys, this is so weird to say, but this is our last unit of the year. Like we're done after this. It's so weird. I have a study guide for you guys, but since we're not going to take a test on this, I'm not going to give you a copy of the study guide because it's just kind of not worth it. So, since you're not going to have a test over this stuff, but these are going to be the last couple of assignments. Again, really weird to say that. But we're going to do an intro to the Cold War. I have a great video for you guys to see. I'm excited for you to watch this video. So you are going to kind of get an overview of what the Cold War was. It's kind of a tough topic to understand. Like the Cold War is this period of time where it's like communism versus like non-communist countries, and it's really the US versus Russia, and it was this period of kind of like intense hostility towards each other. So you're going to be learning more about that. So in your assignment you're going to be watching this awesome video. Sorry, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So here's an overview of the Cold War, about what it was. It was about fighting about their ideas about government and their way of life. And it lasts from 1947 to 1991. A long time. A long time. So you're going to watch this really fun video about the Cold War. You can turn on closed caption if that helps you. I think it's already closed caption, but if that helps you be able to fill in these things. So you're going to watch that video and then you're going to fill in these questions, and then you're going to read this about the Cold War and you're going to answer these questions, and that's about it. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you really enjoy this video because it is fun to watch, and we'll see you out there.